I came to the self-empowerment course because I really wanted to be more self-confident and to discover who I am. And I really loved the course. I felt a very organized course. And Susana and Luke, they're very professional and have lots of knowledge. Susana, she's amazing. She's a powerful woman. And Luke, he's very patient and very supportive. It's a very safe environment. I really like that. And this course brought me lots of confidence. And I feel very confident now. Lots of power, lots of energy. And I really recommend this course for everybody that wants to change to be a better person.